इस टॉपिक का मतलब है कि हम अपने एक्शन से जाने जाते हैं, ना कि हम कितना दिन जिए। मतलब द टॉपिक मीन्स दैट somebody might live for say 100 years, somebody might live for 10 years, somebody might live for 25 years, but what is more important is जितना भी दिन वो जिया है, how many days or years he has lived, what worthwhile work, activity, service, initiative he has done. इंसान अपने years से नहीं, अपने कामों से जाना जाता है. This is a topic that came in ISC in 2016. So these are the points that you can write in your essay. One, you can write about a girl called Isita Khatyal. You can check it in the net. Isita Khatyal. Now, when she was 10-year-old, somebody asked her कि बेटा आप बड़ा हो के क्या बनना चाहते हो? When this small girl Isita Khatyal was a small girl, 10 साल की जब वो होगी तो किसी ने उससे पूछा, जैसे आम लोग बड़ों बच्चों से पूछते हैं कि बेटा आपको बड़ा हो के क्या बनना है. Now this girl got so angry with this question that she started a revolution. She wrote books. Why did the question hurt her? Because she believed in this concept कि हम बड़ा हो के साल के बाद कुछ नहीं करेंगे, हम अभी ही कर सकते हैं. ये मानना कि बच्चे कुछ नहीं कर सकते at the age of 10, according to Ishita Khatyal, was an insult to their potentialities. ये उनकी काबिलियत की बेइज्जती थी. So she wrote a book called Simran's Diary. You can find it in Amazon and Flipkart. Now, so many thousands of people, lakhs of people have read it. It's a bestseller book. And she is the youngest TED speaker. She has spoken at so many places under the banner of TED. I hope you know the TEDx talk, TED talk. It is a platform where all creative people are allowed to speak. So Ishita Khatyal gave that powerful speech at the age of 10, proving that point that हम 10 साल जिए तो भी if I can do worthy work, I can be world famous. I can be a writer, I can be a poet, and she is a speaker, she is a poet. So thereby my topic that we live in deeds. Her deeds were being an author, her deeds were being a world famous speaker, her deeds were being the youngest speaker on TEDx, her deeds were that she motivated so many people all around the world. So उसकी काबिलियत से हम उसे जानते हैं, ना कि वो 10 साल की है कि 50 साल की, 110 साल की. So the topic we live in deeds, not in years. And this Ishita Khatyal is very valid here. Next, we can say about this parable about a boy and a dacoit. So there was a boy who was going to a different village to study in those days. So the mother knew that this is a place through which the dacoits always attack. जिधर से वो बच्चा जाने वाला था with all those caravan, the mother knew that the boy might be attacked. So what the mother said, the mother had few gold coins. मम्मी के पास कुछ सोने के असरफिया थे, तो मम्मी ने उस बच्चे के स्लीव के अंदर उस असरफियों को सिल दिया. The mother stitched those golden coins here, and the mother said कि बेटा कुछ भी हो जाए, I have just one thing to tell you, always speak the truth. No other do's and don'ts, no other if and buts, no other preaching. बस एक बात मानना बेटा, वो ये कि कुछ भी हो जाए सच बोलना. So this boy started the journey going to a different village to enroll himself as a student. So ये वहाँ गया, रास्ते में as usual dacoits ने अटैक किया. dacoit looted almost everybody, सबको उन्होंने लूट लिया. इस बच्चे को देखा, फटे हाल बच्चा छोटा, क्या होगा इसके पास. So a dacoit called him and said, बेटा तुम्हारे पास कुछ है, देख के तो नहीं लगता. The boy said, हाँ अंकल मेरे पास है. The dacoit got very angry. He says, कहाँ है तुम्हारे पास, कोई बैग नहीं है, कुछ नहीं, कहाँ कुछ है. He said, हाँ अंकल मेरे स्लीव के अंदर गोल्ड कॉइन मम्मी ने सिल दिए. The dacoit was very surprised. He said, here people are hiding it and you are telling the truth. लोग झूठ बोल रहे नहीं है, तुम सच क्यों बोल रहे हो. The boy said, my mother has taught me to be honest. सच्चा बोलना मेरे मम्मी ने मुझे सिखाया है. So Dacoit was very touched. He took the boy to the head dacoit and he said, Sartaj, देखिए ये बच्चा इधर बोल रहा है स्लीव में gold coin है. So the sleeve was torn up and they found gold coins. So the head dacoit said, बेटा तुम आराम से बच सकते थे, तुम झूठ बोल रहे थे तो कोई तुम्हारा शर्ट फाड़ के देखता नहीं. Why did you say the truth? He said, अंकल मैंने अपने मम्मी से वादा किया है कि मैं हमेशा सच बोलूँगा. I promised my mother that I would always speak the truth. So the dacoit, head dacoit, they were all very touched. They understood कि छोटा सा बच्चा, he is so committed to honesty, he is so loyal to the promises that he had made, and we are so grown up, so muscular, and we are not committed to a good lifestyle. They got very touched. And they returned everything back to people and also the boy's coin. And then the story says that they got reformed and became a better human being. I don't know कहानी सच है कि नहीं. कहानी में सच्चाई ज़रूर है, और वो ये कि छोटा सा 10 साल का बच्चा could touch the heart of the people, what grown-ups could not, what preachings could not, what sermons could not, what lectures could not. एक 10 साल के बच्चे के मासूमियत ने डकॉइट्स को दिलों को छुआ. We live in deeds, not in years. 10 साल के बच्चे ने जो डीड किया शायद 70 साल के बूढ़े ना कर पाए. So again the point that is in ISC story, ISC chap ऐसे टॉपिक, we live in deeds and not in years, is valid here. So आप ये लिख सकते हैं 10 साल का बच्चा जो डकॉइट को इन्फ्लुएंस किया. Then you can write about इशिता खत्याल, I told you. Then there is another boy you can write about him. His name is Bilal Rajan. He was just 8-year-old, 8 साल का बच्चा, just 8-year-old boy, and he was the youngest fundraiser brand ambassador of UNICEF, United Nations Organization का जो चिल्ड्रन विंग है उसको बोलते हैं यूनिसेफ. So just at the age of 8, he collected $2 million for poor people. आपने सही सुना. You can check in the net while I'm speaking. You can pause the video and check. Bilal Rajan, just at the age of 8, collected $2 million for poor orphan kids. We live in deeds, not in years. And these boy, how did he collect it? At the age of 8, he started giving lectures, and with the lecture, he collected small amount of money. Then he made some craft. Then he had some stall. Then he wrote a book about his life, and he sold everything, and he collected the money and gave it to UNICEF for kids who cannot afford medicine, who cannot afford food, who are the victim of tsunami, and so on and so forth. So ये 8 साल का बच्चा ये सिखाता है कि जब इंसान कुछ करना चाहता है ना किसी के लिए, कर देता है. उम्र से नहीं, काबिलियत से होती है पहचान इंसान की. यही तो टॉपिक है. उम्र से नहीं, काबिलियत से होती है पहचान. इशिता खत्याल 10 साल की थी. डकॉइट के सामने जो बच्चा था वो 10 साल का था. बिलाल राजन 8 साल का था. क्या पहचान लोगों की उनके उम्र से होती है? नहीं, उनकी काबिलियत से होती है. So we live in deeds, not in years. Then we can talk about, now let us see the other side of it. There was a man at the age of 65. ध्यान से सुनिएगा. At the age of 65, he was very frustrated in life. He did not know what to do. 65 is normally an age of retirement. He would not get a job. 65 साल के बुढ़ा को कौन जॉब दे? यहाँ यूथ को जॉब नहीं मिल रहा, 65 साल के बुढ़े को जॉब मिलेगा. So at the age of 65, job was not possible. There was no money to do something. But this man knew कि हमको एक चीज़ आता है, हम चिकन बहुत हेवी बना सकते हैं. So he started selling door to door at the age of 65 his recipe. But very few people bought recipes. लोग चिकन खरीदना चाहते, रेसिपी कौन खरीदना चाहे. So he went to some stalls and said, I will supply my chicken, you give me the order. And then slowly he got some order within. Of course, slowly I'm saying it means after a lot of initiative, after a lot of knocking on doors, बहुत महीने और दिन और तकरीबन साल के बाद he got his first order. And from there it's a history. I'm talking about Colonel Sanders, who is a founder of KFC. KFC आपने नाम सुना होगा, you must have seen in malls. KFC is the world second largest chain of food फ्रेंचाइज इन द वर्ल्ड आफ्टर मैकडोनल्ड. मैकडोनल्ड दुनिया का सबसे बड़ा फूड फ्रेंचाइजी है, उसके बाद है KFC. कब स्टार्ट हुआ था? एट द एज ऑफ 65. वी लिव इन डीड्स नॉट इन ईयर्स. मतलब जो बूढ़ा हो गया समझता वो नहीं कुछ कर पाएगा, उन्होंने भी किया. एट द एज ऑफ 65 ही इट बिकेम अ मल्टी बिलियन डॉलर इंडस्ट्री. Starting from US, you will find it in Havra and Kolkata and Jaisalmer and Jadavpur University. So one man at the age of 65 can create a multi-billion dollar franchisee industry in the world at the age of 65. Again proving the point. हमारी काबिलियत से लोग जानते हैं, उम्र से नहीं. 64 तक तो कर्नल सैंडर्स को कोई नहीं जानता होगा, बट आफ्टर मेकिंग KFC अब सब जानते हैं. सो उम्र से नहीं, अपनी काबिलियत से लोग पहचाने जाते हैं. वी लिव इन डीड्स एंड नॉट इन ईयर्स. नाउ लेट अस सी द अदर साइड. लेट अस सी फ्रॉम द मॉनिटरी पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू. लोग बोलते हैं कि देयर इज़ अ पर्टिकुलर एज फॉर मैरिज, देयर इज़ अ पर्टिकुलर एज फॉर अर्निंग. आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट अ बॉय हु बिकेम अ बिलियनियर इवन व्हेन ही वाज नॉट 17. I'm talking about the boy who acted in Harry Potter as Harry Potter, Daniel Radcliffe. Daniel Radcliffe at the age of 17 was one of the richest youngster in the world, and he had billions of dollars. कब? 17 साल में. आपने सही सुना, 17 साल में. Before he could turn 18, and he was a multi-billionaire by acting from childhood to Harry Potter 1, 2, 3, 6, 7 उतना सारा सीरीज़ में. My point is, क्या हम लोग इसके 17-16 साल की वजह से जानते थे? No, we know this boy Harry Potter for his acting skills. So again the point is proved कि we live in deeds, not in years. हम अपनी काबिलियत से जाने जाते हैं, ना कि अपने उम्र से. So I would like to conclude by saying this line, that 1 hour of fame and achievement is better than a lifetime of inactivity. एक लम्हा काबिलियत का, एक लम्हा अचीवमेंट का, एक सेकेंड worthiness and fulfillment का is better than a whole lifetime of inactivity. So you can use all this and write your essay that came in 2016. We live in deeds and not in years. Thank you.